Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything about the new Safari update in Pro Garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Safari update has been dropped in Grow a Garden, and if you want to join the Safari event, you can go to this location, and basically guys, you just need to submit the required fruits or the required plants. For example, now the NPC is looking for stalky plants, and then you can talk to the NPC and submit all your plants, and then you will gain points by submitting the required plants. And then guys, after you reach 500 points, you will be able to get individual reward, and these are the possible rewards that you will get from contributing to the Safari event. And guys, you need to work with the Grow a Garden community to increase the global Safari points, because we need the Safari points to unlock new items from the Safari shop. Okay, and these are the items that have been unlocked. And next one, we need to unlock this seat, and we need to reach milestone 300 million shekels in the Safari. And yeah, and this is the maximum milestone. Okay, and then I'm going to show you something else about this update guys. So guys, when you go to the save slot menu here, there will be new slot and you can purchase it, and if I'm not mistaken, it cost 1 trillion shekels, and I just got the save slot 3, and I'm going to switch to my slot 2, for example. Okay, and yeah, this is exciting feature guys, because my garden is already full, so I need more slot. Okay, and the next one guys, if you notice, there is no the orange tulip seed, and now the orange tulip seed has been replaced by this buttercup seed, but it still has no stock. Okay, and if you go to the pass, you will see that there is a new pass guys, the seasonal pass, and these are the quest or the mission that you need to complete. And just like the previous update guys, you will be able to get the extra rewards after you complete all the levels. And this is for the quest, it's still the same. And the store, yeah, it's almost same, but they add this mossy rock and zenith crate, and then this seed, and yeah. And then guys, after the Safari update has been dropped, you can see the admin quest. So this is the quest from Robo Garden admin, and these are the quests that we need to complete within 5 hours. And yeah, it's not that easy, especially for the beginners. And yeah, okay guys, that's all about the Safari update in Grow Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.